Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, February 26th, and today we started off about correcting to this trend line, and then we bounced, went up to the highs of the trend line, and went sideways before we, boom, had a strong move down. This is probably the attempt at a new low. Um, so this could be like a double bottom, and we could reverse out of here. Here's what the daily chart looks like. A doji right at the midline of this range that I've been looking at. Um, and we're still right at the weekly uh, trend line. So here's the chart I was looking at today. You can see we corrected, made a double bottom, and then we formed this spike and channel up, something like that. And you could have gotten in on this reversal because in the second half of this range, the bear bars started getting larger. So there's hints there that we could be going lower. Plus, it just looked and had the feel of a reversal. Um, but anyway, let's get into this. I don't have a whole lot of time. Let's draw this channel down. All right, so in the overnight, doesn't look like a whole lot happened on this time frame, but we did have this channel up, and you get a second entry long. Not the greatest signal bar, but first time pulling back to the EMA, worth considering. Uh, and you get a failed second entry short or a failed second entry long right here. You might consider that one. Uh, Seems like it's a little early, but enough to get some move down. I'd probably go for one times your risk and exit after this bull bar, or exit at the break of the channel. Anyway, we get a move up, boom, double bottom. Could you go there? Yeah, I think this is one you would want to go for um, two times your risk probably, but I'm not very convinced on that one. I mean, it does big up, big down. Might be a trading range. You might go back to the highs, but it ends up being a very good move. Spike and channel up. I don't see anything I particularly like in here. Whoops. And then we get a break, and this bear channel seems to get a break, move to a new low, and bounces. This looks good, but you're below the EMA. It looks like it could be a part of a channel. You get a higher low. Maybe you consider that one. Again, not a great signal bar, but well, I wouldn't say I like, but I would consider this failed second entry short, because we don't really have strong consecutive bear bars yet. You got these two here. That was these three actually, but it was above the EMA. One bear bar, one bear bar. Worth considering. And then we're just going sideways for a while. And so, I mean, if you're playing a reversal, you could consider this. You could consider either of these as well. But the real good one is this breakout pullback. And if you don't take that, you get a failed second entry long. Boom, right there. So any of those, and you would be making a lot of money. Especially if you see this on this larger time frame. This looks like the bulls are losing steam. All these dojis, you're at the top. You tested the top of this channel a couple times, lower high, boom. So then we worked into we broke. I would just say just sell anything here. It was a very strong move. went into this flatter channel. You could take the good signal bars off of this, the highs here. So this or this. This one breaks out, pulls back, the pullback fails, boom, goes, hits a measured move. You can see people tried to get long here on the measured move, and then boom, fails again. We go a little further, and then we start to go sideways, and you get this big bull bar. And you might consider this, but we really don't even have a close above the EMA at this point, or a gap above the EMA. So I'm not really crazy about getting long in any of this. Could you get short right here? That looks like that might be the channel, but it could be that. So I don't think you can get short there. It's aggressive. That's really it. I mean, I don't think you want to get long. So that's how I saw it today. Um, there's one last look for you. I hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.